Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Drunken Engineer. I hope everyone is doing great both personally and professionally. So if you're visiting our channel for the first time, so here earlier we used to share real-time interview questions. Now we have started sharing intraday trades that I take. So today also I have taken a trade in HDFC Bank. So watch the complete video for full details, like what was my setup or target, stop loss for everything. So let's quickly jump onto the trade. So okay, first I'll show you the trade. So I have entered the trade at 9:30 and 9:53. My trading was done for the day. Within like before 10 o'clock, I have completed my trade, and it was in positive as you can see the numbers, buying and selling price. So what exactly, why exactly I have entered into the trade? I'll show you. So if you see, this is the first 5 minutes candle. So if you see, first let us see yesterday's candle, yesterday's chart. So if you see constantly, this was a support zone yesterday, okay, and today this candle at 9:20, the support was broken out, okay. So then next, a small, if you see, this is a retracement actually, a pullback. A pullback happened on this, and as soon as this candle closed, I have entered into the trade. Okay, so at the top side, I was having stop loss. So at the bottom, I was not really sure till where it will go. So I directly went with 1:1 ratio. Okay. So here at around in this candle, 9:30 candle, I have entered. If you can see here, sorry, this one right, 9:30 candle, 9:30.39 means 9:31 candle. I have entered. This is Nifty. Sorry. So I have entered there. This was my stop loss. Like the support zone. Yesterday's support zone would be today's resistance. Okay, so that was my stop loss, and I went with 1:1. So within not even 15 minutes, my target was hit. So while I have exited on this candle, actually it went down, but I have exited. I thought few more red candles might get formed, so I wanted to take the most profit. But as soon as a red candle was formed here, I have exited the trade in the 950 candle. So this was the trade, but later on in the day, it went very good. Like if I would have stayed in the trade, then I would have made really great profits. But fine, whatever we have targeted, we got it. So overall, 10% of profit I got. Like I have invested 22,000 in this trade. The capital of this trade required for this trade was 22,000, and we got approximately. Oh no, I think the capital was 20,000, and we got 20,200. Okay, so this was about today's trade. Hope you uh, like particularly if you want to talk about setup. So as soon as the support zone got breached, I have my entry, like what I can say, I was alerted. So but once it was followed by red candle, then it was a perfect setup. Fine. So it's there is no setup which is 100%, guys. There are high chances that even this might fail. See here, if you see, hardly like 46 1940 till 1946 it went, and 1948 was my stop loss. Just with 2 rupees, my stop loss getting it was missed. Okay, so this was about my today's trade. Hope you learned about support and resistance concept here. Thank you for watching.